Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to launch ROG Legacy 2 game on your Windows computer or if you're facing crashing and freezing issue. Now the first step is to restart your computer. So just restart your computer and after the system restart, launch the game. Still you're facing the problem, then update controller firmware using Xbox Accessories app. For this, open Microsoft Store on your computer. Now in the search box, type in Xbox Accessories app and then click on Xbox Accessories. Now if this is already downloaded, then open this app. If this is not downloaded, then click on download and then open it. And you can use Xbox Accessories. It will detect your computer and then update your firmware using Xbox Accessories app and then launch the game. Now this has worked for many users, so it might work for you. Now the next step is to use dash force dash GL code 32 in the launch options. So open Steam, make a right click on the game, select property. Under the general tab here you can see launch options. Type in dash force dash GL core 32 and now launch the game. Now this has worked for many players, so it might work for you. If that does not resolve, you can type in DX11. So again make a right click, properties, and then type in dash DX11 and then launch the game and check which one is working fine for you. If nothing works, in that case you can remove this from here and then launch the game. Now the next step is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder. For this, go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on browse local files. It will straight away open the game installation folder. Now make a right click on the game.exe file, select property, and then go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator. Put a check over here and then click on apply, click on OK. Now launch the game from here. So make a double click over here and launch the game. Now the next step is to disable full screen optimization. For this, make a right click on the game, select properties. Make a right click on the game, select manage, browse local files. Again it will take you to the game installation folder. Make a right click on the game.exe file, select properties once again, go to compatibility tab and then this time put a check on the box which says disable full screen optimizations and then put a check over here and then click on apply, OK, and then launch the game. Now the next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 22. So you have to go ahead and download x86 and x64 version. So click on both the exe file, download it, then run both the exe file. Click on repair or install option. So you might see install or repair option. Click on it. Click on yes to allow. Run the second file as well. Again you will see the repair or install option. So click on it. Click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Make sure both the installation is complete, then restart your computer. So once the installation is complete, you will see the restart option. Once both the installation is complete, click on restart and after the system restart, launch the game. Now the next step is to verify the game file. For this, go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, go to the local files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files and after the verification, launch the game. Now the next step is to do a clean installation of your graphics driver. Go to NVIDIA website, select your graphic card from the list, make sure that you select your graphic card over here and select the right operating system and then click on start search and then scroll down. This is the latest driver, click on get download and then click on download now. Now once the download is complete, run this exe file. Now you will see this screen, click on agree and continue and then put a check on the box which says custom and then click on next and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, then click on next and after the clean installation, restart your computer. Now the next step is to allow the game.exe file to your antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus, make sure that you allow the game.exe file to your antivirus program. Now in case if you're using Windows security, then go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now if you have Windows 11, click on privacy and security. If you have Windows 10, click on update and security. Then click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down here, you can see manage ransomware protection. Click on it. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. So wherever the game is installed, in your case it may be in C drive. So select C drive. Then open program files x86. Then open the Steam folder. Now open the Steam apps folder. Now open the common folder. Over here you will find the game.exe file. In my case it's in D drive. It's in D drive. So open Steam apps common. Now over here you will find Rogue Legacy 2. Select the game.exe file, then click on add, open, and once the game is added over here, launch the game. Now the next step is for laptop users with dual graphic card. So if your computer came with dual graphic card, make sure that you are running the game on dedicated graphic card. For this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box, then click on graphics settings. Now click on browse, and then again go to the game installation folder. So Steam apps common, Rogue Legacy 2, select the game.exe file, then click on add. Now once the game is added over here, click on options, select high performance, and then click on save. Now launch the game. Now the next step is to update your Windows to the latest version. Make sure your Windows is up to date. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, click on Windows security or Windows update, and then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to disable Steam overlay. For this, make a right click on the game, select properties. Under the general tab, here you can see the option enable the Steam overlay while in game. Uncheck the box and then launch the game. Also close all the other overlay applications. So if you have Discord running, close Discord. Now if you have GeForce Experience running, close GeForce Experience. These are overlay applications, so close all the overlay application. Also close all the overclocking applications. So if you have MSI Afterburner running, close MSI Afterburner. Now if you have Riva Tuner running, close Riva Tuner. So close all the overclocking application. Also perform Cleanboot. For this, type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Now go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Put a check over here first, then click on disable all. In my case, this is grayed out. I already did it. In your case, this will be highlighted. So put a check over here first, then click on disable all, then click on apply, then click on OK. You will see the restart option, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to launch the game in window mode. So if you are able to launch the game in window mode and then lower down graphics settings. Now go to settings and then select graphics. Try to lower down the resolution and then select window mode over here, and then if the quality is set to high, you can select medium or low, and you can turn off the VSync and then check. So try to lower down graphics settings over here and then check the performance. Now the next step is to disconnect multiple monitors. So if the computer is connected to multiple monitors, try to launch the game on single monitor. So disconnect multiple monitors, unplug all the USB devices which you are not using. So if you have these devices connected, disconnect these devices. Also close all these software. So if these softwares are running, close it. Also end nahimic services. If you have Asus computer, make a right click on the start menu and then click on task manager, and over here you will find nahimic services. So if you have nahimic services running, select it, then click on end task. In my case, it's not running. So if you find this application running, in case of Asus user, end this task. And if you have lighting services running, close lighting services. Also, if you have undervolted your hardware, then remove the undervolt and then launch the game. The last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on uninstall. After the uninstallation, go to the game installation folder, delete the game folder, then restart your computer, and then this time install the game to a different drive. So if you have another SSD or if you have another HDD, try to install the game to a different drive and then check. So one of the steps should help you to get the game running on your computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.